Hello, I'm Kristi. Welcome to my channel. This is a series called Easy Summer Recipes. Today I'm going to be making a super simple fruit dip. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you went ahead and done so. Make sure you check the description box below. I'm going to have other videos from this series linked down there. I'll have my Instagram name and any other information you may need, like the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 ingredients: a 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream and an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. The first thing you'll want to do is let your cream cheese set out and become soft. Place your softened cream cheese in a medium-sized mixing bowl. I like to mix this on a medium speed until it is completely smooth. Unfortunately, I didn't let my cream cheese set out long enough, so I had to mix it a little bit longer than normal. If your cream cheese is softened, this whole process should take less than a minute. Once you finish mixing your cream cheese, you'll want to add your 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream. I start out mixing it with a spoon. Once I'm finished with that, I like to use the hand mixer just to get it at a really good creamy consistency with no lumps. That's it. Like I said, super simple fruit dip recipe, just 2 ingredients. You can do this in under 4 minutes and it's absolutely delicious. Serve with your favorite fruits. Make sure that you refrigerate any leftovers in an airtight sealed container. I believe I've probably been making this recipe for 20 years now. I remember taking it to Tupperware parties, so that tells you how long I've been making this dip. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment below. Love to talk to you guys. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Remember to check the description box below, and until next time guys, bye.